Hello and welcome to issue 3 of the 3D Create or Assemble Your Own 3D Printer. Well, it looks like they've dropped the big cardboard thing which came in issue 1 and 2. So this looks like how they're going to do it from now on without the big cardboard thing. Comes just with this thing here, this plastic bag thing here. So let me take it out. Just pulling this. Oops. Okay, this is the bit. Let's have a quick look at the magazine. Printer masterpiece. There's a every week there's like a web access code. You can download a free design file. I haven't done that yet. I don't know if it's still issues 1 and 2 still be there, but hey. A bit more about it. Functional sculpture, 3D food for thought. Step creating guide, line step by step. This is the program which you can download for free, telling you how to use it. Create a lid, putting a box. I think last week was the box, how to make a box, and this is putting a lid on it. This is like a little leaflet thing. If you sign up for it, you get the free binder toolkit, flash drive, the filaments, digital edition and exclusive design. This is more about the box, how 3D works, how 3D printers work. Fun part is printing out a design, but how do 3D printers actually do it? If you really want to go into the grips with the process, there's a lot to learn, but the basics are elementary. The end, business end, layer by layer. I think because like you have this filament thing, and then it kind of like does there's like a photo there. That's how it does it. You can see it does it layer by layer. It's like a loaf of bread, and you cut it in slices, like the bottom slice, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And that's the finished product. So I kind of know how it works, and this is the bit I want to know. Chest set, skull, bike spoke accessory. I might want to do that because I've got a bike. Expendable bracelet, master the mouse. Now a little leaflet thing about it. And that's the finished product, and that's about issue 4. Let's go back a few pages. This is the. I think I need a scissors. That's this bit. Your part, Y-axis inner bearing block. No screws. Okay, let's cut this out. is that bit. So how do I do this then? Okay. Okay, so I've got to unscrew. So let me make sure this is that. Okay. Make sure it's the right way around. There's a hole there and a hole there. Okay. Now, so what I've got to do. I think it was in the last week they told you to put this bit on, what they should have said to leave off. Now I've got to undo it again by the looks of it. Now there's a large hole on metal gantry covering up on the right. Unscrew the right hand fixing, slip off the Y shaft and set the fixing bolts and nuts to one side. Yeah, so basically I've got to take this off. So this here, I've got to take this off. There goes a nut. There's another nut. So I'll just undo that. Okay. Okay, make sure this goes on the right way round. So let's have a look. By the looks, there's like, seems these little screw holes there. One, and then 1, 2, 3. There's that 1, 2, 3. So it looks like it goes on. There's no screw holes on that side. You take the Y axis line of bearing block 09 that you received with issue 3 and the 4 brass threads bolt positioned on the slide the bearing block onto the wash. As you do, ensure you keep the shaft straight to avoid displaying bearings. Okay, slide. Okay, so it looks like this goes on here. Let me just pull that off so I can slide on. This goes through here like so, and then I can put that down, and let's just shift it right down, and that goes on there. So that looks like that's slide the plastic shaft fixed in place back on the end of the metal shaft and reattach the gantry cover with the bolts and nuts. Okay, so it looks like I've got to redo, so this bit goes back on there again. I've got a funny feeling that pole there goes there. Your second Y shaft belt holder, yeah, looks like that would go, that pole there will fix into, will go through that hole there. A bit dark, but there's a little hole thing there, and fix this onto there and onto there. So there'll be 2 poles there. do that up again. So that one goes back in there. God, this is going to be so fiddly. There's like a pole thing in the way. That's in there. Poo, didn't think that was taking. It's fallen out again. See why these are so expensive. There we go. So now that can go. So this, let's try and work it out. Oh look! Ah, now I see what bit this is. Oh look, see, this bit, I was wrong. See, I thought maybe this bit, see this bit, I thought was maybe that bit, but now I can actually see there's a little, it's that red bit there. So this is like a bottom bit. So, oh I see, so this, in the 3D printer goes that way. So this bit stays, and then this bit would go across. So maybe, this bit's been like that, and then this what, and then actual that bit would be the bit where the actual bit gets printed onto. It's like a platform bit. I see. I'm starting to understand this. I see. So that's it basically. It's getting exciting. This is going to be expensive. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching. Bye.